Good morning, Panthers. It is Friday, February 7th, 2025, and this is Miss Gerald with a few words of wisdom. Have you ever thought about being an astronaut, a doctor, or the smartest kid in class? And then you said to yourself, I could never do that. I'm not smart enough, or I'm not good enough. Now, listen to a true story about a woman named Carmen Escalante. She's a medical doctor who was raised in a small town in Louisiana and was the oldest of six children. Neither of her parents graduated from high school, but they always encouraged her to get an education. She grew up and became a doctor at one of the world's most famous cancer centers. Here's her prescription for success. Nothing is impossible if you set goals and try to do your best. So listen to the doctor's advice and follow your prescription for success. If you do, anything's possible. Just do the very best you can. With something to think about, this is Miss Gerald reminding you to have pride, perseverance, respect, integrity, determination, and effort. Use your heart as well as your mind. Win the day. All right, Panthers, let's say our affirmation together. I expand in abundance, success, love, and happiness every day as I inspire others around me to do the same. I expand in abundance, success, love, and happiness every day as I inspire others around me to do the same. I expand in abundance, success, love, and happiness every day as I inspire others around me to do the same. All right, a couple of things, guys. I know many of you will be wearing your favorite team's jersey or shirt today in honor of the Super Bowl that's happening on Sunday. We have the Philadelphia Eagles against the Kansas City Chiefs. So I'm wearing my favorite team, which is neither team. It's the Clemson Tigers, and I've got these nice earrings that one of the staff members bought me for Christmas. So I am repping Clemson because in honor of all of the former Clemson Tigers who are playing either for the Philadelphia Eagles or for the Kansas Chiefs this weekend. So today, I hope to see all of y'all in your gear, but we will still be learning, okay? So I will be asking you questions about what you're learning. And I'm getting ready to give you some information that I may be asking you about. I was in a classroom yesterday and this just came to my mind that maybe I need to share this with everybody. And there's 4 words in math that you need to know. And sometimes those words come up on tests. And typically in kindergarten through 2nd grade, you will only need to know the first 2 that I'm going to go over. But further than that, you need to know all 4 of them. 3rd through 5th graders, you need to know all 4 of them. And it's these words: sum, difference, product, and quotient. Okay? And those have to do with the 4 operations that we do. We add, we subtract, we multiply, and we divide. So when you add numbers together, the answer that you get is called the sum, S-U-M, the sum. All right? So if I ask that today, What do you call the answer when you add numbers together? I should hear you tell me it's the sum. Okay, the sum is when it's the answer you get when you add numbers together. The difference is the number or the answer you get when you subtract numbers. Okay, when you subtract numbers, the answer you get is the difference. All right. The product is the answer that you get when you multiply numbers. So product is the answer you get when you multiply numbers. And finally, a quotient is the answer that you get when you divide numbers. So a sum is the answer you get when you add numbers. The difference is the number you get when you subtract numbers. The product is the answer you get when you multiply numbers, and the quotient is the answer you get when you divide numbers. So I want you to remember those four things, and I'm going to be asking around the building today. Everyone have a fabulous Friday and a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you back here on Monday for Project Wisdom, Words of Wisdom.